Why dict.get key instead of dict key? Today, I came across the dict method get, which, given a key in the dictionary, returns the associated value. For what purpose is this function useful? If I wanted to find a value associated with a key in a dictionary, I can just do dict key, and it returns the same thing.
It allows you to provide a default value if the key is missing. Returns default underscore value, whatever you choose it to be, whereas would raise a key error. If omitted, default underscore value is none, such that returns none, just like would.
What is the dict.get method? As already mentioned, the get method contains an additional parameter which indicates the missing value. From the documentation, return the value for key if key is in the dictionary, else default. If default is not given, it defaults to none, so that this method never raises a key error. An example can be Are there speed improvements anywhere? As mentioned here. It seems that all three approaches now exhibit similar performance, within about 10% of each other, more or less independent of the properties of the list of words. Earlier get was considerably slower, however now the speed is almost comparable, along with the additional advantage of returning the default value. But to clear all our queries, we can test on a fairly large list. Note that the test includes looking up all the valid keys only. Now timing these two functions using timeIt. As we can see, the lookup is faster than the get as there is no function lookup. This can be seen through dis. Where will it be useful? It will be useful whenever you want to provide a default value whenever you are looking up a dictionary. This reduces to a single line, val equals dict.get key, def underscore val. Where will it be not useful? Whenever you want to return a key error stating that the particular key is not available. Returning a default value also carries the risk that a particular default value may be a key too. Is it possible to have get-like feature in dict key? Yes. We need to implement the underscore missing underscore in a dict subclass. A sample program can be a small demonstration can be
get takes a second optional value. If the specified key does not exist in your dictionary, then this value will be returned. If you do not give the second parameter, none will be returned. If you use indexing as in dictionary year, non-existent keys will raise key error.
A gotcha to be aware of when using .get. If the dictionary contains the key used in the call to .get and its value is none,
the .get method will return none even if a default value is supplied. For example, the following returns none, not _value as may be expected. .get's second value is only returned if the key supplied is not in the dictionary, not if the return value of that call is none.
Ili wants to see more, please consider subscribing.